Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have filed off an old design on my red iguana hand, and now I'm coming in and using CJP Peach Sorbet, and I'm going to do a full nail of this on this hand. So it was a little bit cold in my summer house, so the acrylic was a little bit naughty, and then I had a little bit of hair there, for God's sake. But I just got it on anyway, and I just thought I would sit down, do a video and get some content out on my channel, stop moaning about views and whatever, and just do it. So I'm definitely going to start putting more videos up, whether you like it or not. So yeah, I'm just doing a full nail of that, and I'm using the CJP Big Boy brush. It has seen better days, I'm not going to lie. I'm not ready to open a new one yet. I do have backup, but I'm not ready. So I'm just doing this nail all full, all peach sorbet, just keep tapping it. So the more I do with my hand, obviously with my brush, the less I have to do with my file. So that's why you see me coming back in and popping it on and stuff like that. Tomorrow I am teaching another one-to-one. I've been doing quite a few lately, and it is so rewarding. A lot of the girls that I've seen have had such low confidence, and it makes me so sad. If I could just inject them with confidence, I'd be a millionaire. But yeah, I think everyone just needs to have a little bit more faith and confidence in themselves and a bit of a positive mental attitude. Anyway, I don't know why I started going off on one then. I'm doing another nail of peach sorbet on this. And actually, watching this video back, it looks like I've missed a massive chunk of that nail there. It seems to be like a funny place where the tip ends. I don't know if maybe I've damaged it when filing back to the clear layer, or if I just swiped off too much. But yeah, as you can see, I need another bead to make that more opaque. I obviously haven't filed off my clear base nice and even. That's why I have a big chunk there. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and just apply another bead to get that opacity exactly how I want it and where I want it. Cover that big area that's obviously missed. So placing it at the cuticle area, tucking it in with the tip of my brush, going from the side and then swiping down, and then going to the other side and then swiping down. Just bringing all that product into the centre where we want that bulk, and trying to angle my brush inwards to keep it away from the sides, to again avoid the bulk. And then just, yeah, that bit's really irritating me looking at it now, but it didn't look like that when I was doing it. So I'm going to do the pinky in Tuscan red from CJP, and honestly, it's such a gorgeous, it's like almost like a raspberry, it's like reddy pink. It's so underrated, but it is so gorgeous and absolutely stunning to work with, and so pigmented as well. I have a feeling it may be a little bit of a hit in the summer. It's more like a corally. So weird to explain the colour. It's absolutely gorgeous and I love it. So I'm just going to do a full nail of that on the pinky finger. I got asked the other day why I was using that mechanical hand that I have rather than the silicone ones. And if I'm honest, it's a ball ache filing off the old design, like doing redesigns on a silicone hand. Like, with them other ones, you just pop it in, pop it out. But it does look better when you have pictures and stuff like that. This hand, actually, because I have the Poochie's one as well, this one I find quite stiff. And it aches my hand a little bit. It's like a stiff client, you know. And you know when you get that achy hand on your left hand that you're holding it with, when you try and move their finger and it's stiff, actually it hurts a little bit. And I haven't really noticed that before, but since I've been doing like more hours and working more clients a day, so I work every day now, and I do about 3 or 4 clients every day, and I know that's nothing compared to some. Obviously I do have children to look after, and you know I have been doing teaching as well, so it's pretty full on. But yeah, my hand was aching holding the silicone hand, so I haven't noticed that before. So yeah, she was being a bit of an awkward, stiff client. Anyway, again, just building up that Tuscan red, placing the bead at the cuticle and blending it down, making sure that full nail is covered. And I'm not going to cap this colour because I have clear underneath and it doesn't require capping. So then I'm coming to file and I'm taking the CJP 100-180 grit file and I'm doing the sides, keeping it nice and straight, not hitting them corners or taking it off. And then I'm bringing it in from the sidewalls inwards to remove that bulk and really perfect the shape. I do this on every single nail. So sides, free edge. I go up around the cuticle area, down, barreling towards the other side, and then back in. And then when it starts to look good from my angle, I'll pop the client's hand around and then I file it from their view. And I do this with every single client, just as I am here. Flat filing the top, flat file the sides, and jobs are good in. So I've applied CGRP base coat onto this and cured in the lamp. I just forgot to press record. And then I'm using this beautiful rose gold foil from the rose gold kit off the CJP website, of course, and I'm just sticking that foil straight into that tacky layer of the base gel. So in a minute I actually ended up pulling it back off, but I actually really liked it. Made it a little bit more sparse. So after you're done with that, top coat that and cure in the lamp. And then on the index finger here, I'm just going to draw a triangle smile line, like a pointy smile line with my tack free top gloss, and then going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm giving it a full cure. And then when it comes out of the lamp and it's cured, I'm going to rub in the rose gold holo. Again, this is from the rose gold kit. You get some holographic chrome, some just pure rose gold chrome. You get some foils, some crystals, some beads, two glitters. It's like a whole little rose gold kit. And then I'm just burnishing that into that top coat, and then I've got like that holo chrome smile line there. Brushing off the excess of the pigment, and then I'll top coat that. So then I'm coming in with the crystals, the beads and the other stones that come in the rose gold kit. I'm using acrylic to stick down the larger stones, and I'm going to create like a cluster just at that cuticle area. And I have buffed off the area where I'm going to apply the glue and stick all the crystals and stones. So then I'm coming in with CJP gripper glue and this little wax pencil. Okay, baby. This little wax pencil that I got from eBay. I got it from eBay like 2 years ago for like 99p. Honestly, it's like amazing. It does the job. And I'm just going to stick all these crystals on the nails. Add some little micro beads to fill in the little gaps. And then that is the crystal placement done. And then obviously going to come in and top coat the beautiful red that you all need to go and get because it is absolutely stunning. So I've left a little clip at the end to show you the final result, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, I would love that. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Poppy.
Bye, Poppy. I like your nails.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
What's your favourite one? Oh, the one with crystals.
Yeah.
Do you love it? Say bye. Say it.
Bye.